Hi guys, welcome to PHP tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to create reports in PHP or how to create a form in which you can display your reports. Okay, you can see here I have created this form. I have given it a name as reports tutorial in PHP, and here I have taken two drop down menus. In that I have in this one drop menu I have made it as standards, and second drop down I have uh, displaying I am displaying courses in second drop down. Okay, the basic functionality is I am choosing standard here as first POC, and I have different courses in my second drop down. If I select first POC and one of the courses in second drop down, and if I select and if I submit, it will display me the student names and their gender, whichever has taken that course. If I select second POC and if I select science, and then if I submit, you can see I will get different set of students and their gender. If I select second POC commerce, if I submit, I will get another different set of students. So this is one kind of report I'm going to create in my next tutorials, or in this tutorial I will start to create a form, or I will start working on this front end or this form designing, and then in my next videos I will start working on its back end. Because this kind of behavior or functionality you can use in your projects or in your um, college projects or any other. If you are working on some kind of reports, you can use this functionality. Okay guys, let us go to our notepad. Here you can see I have created one configuration file db, and I have given it a name as db.php. This is a connection file. These two statements you need to connect to your database. Okay, we will come to this later. Now let us go to our database. Okay, for that you need one database. I have created one database here, and I have created few tables in this database like courses, faculty, standards, students and subjects. Okay, this database I am going to use, and I have filled these tables with some set of data. You can see I have some data in all the tables. Standards, first POC and second POC, and courses, you can see arts, commerce and science. These are the course name which I am retrieving here and displaying in this drop downs. Okay, these values are coming from the backend from my database as similarly to this. Okay, now let us start. Let us go to our notepad and create one file as index.php. Okay, first you need to go to your XAMPP folder and htdocs. Here you need to create one folder. I have created a folder named reports2. Okay, and in that folder we need to create one file, index.php file, or whatever name you like. Let us start. Type HTML. With this statement I am telling my browser to consider this page as an HTML5 web page. Okay, now let us start with HTML. Let us save it. Reports, we need to select reports2. Okay, index.php, and now let us create head. Okay, and now title. Okay, reports in PHP. Now let us link our files. I have only one CSS file, so I'm linking this. I have not created yet. Okay, now rel relationship equals to style sheet, type equals to text by CSS, and here you need to link your CSS file, css/style.css. okay. Okay, now I have linked this style.css. Now come to body, just create body, and let us create a div with the class of container. Okay, and let us create a wrapper also. Wrapper. Now let us style it first. Okay, let us create a CSS file. Container. I'm setting my container size as 960 pixel and margin 0 auto. Okay, background color as white, and let us use this universal selector to remove default padding and margin from our elements, from our HTML elements. 0px. Okay, let us color our body. Okay, body is not a class. Okay, now copy this, copy and paste it here, and now let us check what is the color, this blue color, and okay, select body. Here you can see. Let us copy this and come here. Okay, now let us save it. Reports to, then we need to create a folder as CSS, and let us give it a name as style.css. okay, now let us give it a width for time being, then after that we will delete the height, say 400 pixel. Now let us go to our folder reports to, and index. You can see we have to run this file. Let us come to our browser. Let us open one more tab, or 127./reports to and index with PHP. Okay, here you can see I have created background and a container. I want to give some margin at the top of my container. Margin top 10 pixel. You can see. Now I need to create this. Okay. So guys, I'm running short of time. In my next video I will add this header, and then I will add this drop down boxes and table. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.